Do you ever think about why some people seem to build wealth steadily while others struggle financially year after year? Even though they work just as hard, the difference is rarely luck or privilege. In most cases, it comes down to habits. Financial habits shape how money is earned, spent, saved, and grown over time. Just like physical habits, money habits can be trained and improved with consistency. In this video, we will talk about 5 powerful personal finance habits that separate wealthy people from those who struggle financially. These habits are not complicated, and anyone can start using them today. When followed consistently, they help create long-term financial stability and open the door to true financial freedom. Let's get started. 1. Invest in the right education. The first habit that separates wealthy people from everyone else is investing in the right education. Rich people understand that money follows knowledge. They do not rely on guesswork or casual opinions when making financial decisions. Instead, they continuously learn and improve their understanding of how money works. Financial education does not mean earning a finance degree. It means learning how to manage income, control spending, save efficiently, understand taxes, and grow money through smart investments. Wealthy individuals actively seek financial literacy and learn from people who are more experienced and successful than they are, rather than depending on advice from friends or family members who may also struggle financially. They turn to experts, credible sources, and proven strategies. They read books, attend seminars, follow educational content, and stay open to new ideas. Most importantly, they surround themselves with people who encourage growth and better decision-making. They understand that learning is not a one-time activity, but a lifelong habit. Financial rules change over time, and staying informed helps them adapt to new opportunities and challenges. This habit also allows them to spot good opportunities earlier and avoid costly mistakes that many people make due to lack of knowledge. Over time, continuous learning builds confidence, improves decision-making, and creates a strong foundation for long-term financial success. 2. Live below your means and master budgeting. The second habit that separates wealthy people from everyone else is living below your means and mastering the art of budgeting. Budgeting is a foundation of financial success because it gives you clarity and control over your money. Wealthy people may not track every single expense down to the last penny, but they always have a clear understanding of their overall finances and cash flow. To stay organized, many wealthy individuals follow structured budgeting methods. One popular approach is the 50-30-20 rule. With this method, around 50% of income is used for essentials such as housing, food, transportation, and bills. About 30% is allocated for lifestyle choices like entertainment, travel, or personal spending. The remaining 20% is reserved for savings and investments, which helps build long-term financial security. Living below your means spending less than you earn and avoiding unnecessary lifestyle upgrades. Many people increase their spending every time their income rises, which keeps them stuck financially. Wealthy individuals resist this habit. They prioritize saving and investing first, and only then consider lifestyle improvements. Tracking expenses at a high level helps identify where money is going and where adjustments can be made. Wealthy people also save consistently and maintain an emergency fund to protect themselves from unexpected expenses. This safety net prevents them from relying on debt during difficult times and allows them to stay focused on long-term goals. By living below their means and following a structured budgeting system like the 50-30-20 rule, wealthy individuals create stability, reduce stress, and build a strong foundation for lasting wealth. 3. Set measurable financial goals. The third habit that helps wealthy people build long-term success is setting clear and measurable financial goals. Instead of hoping to get rich someday or wishing for financial freedom without a plan, wealthy individuals create specific financial strategies with achievable milestones. These goals act as a roadmap, guiding their decisions and keeping them focused, even when progress feels slow or challenges arise. Wealthy people set goals that follow the SMART framework, meaning the goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This approach removes confusion and turns vague ideas into clear action steps. Rather than saying, "I want to save money," they define exactly what they want to achieve and by when. For example, instead of general goal, a wealthy individual might say, "I will save $10,000 in 1 year by setting aside $833 each month." This type of goal is easy to track, realistic to manage, and motivating because progress can be measured regularly. Clear goals also help reduce emotional spending because every financial decision is connected to a bigger purpose. Many people who struggle financially focus on short-term comfort and avoid long-term planning. Wealthy people think differently. They review their goals regularly, celebrate small wins along the way, and adjust their plans when life changes, while still staying committed to their long-term vision. By setting clear and measurable financial goals, they stay motivated, make smarter choices, and move steadily toward financial freedom. 4. Start investing early and wisely. The fourth habit that clearly separates wealthy people from those who struggle financially is how they approach investing. Wealthy individuals understand that time is their most valuable asset, which is why they begin investing as early as possible. Instead of waiting for the perfect moment or try and predict market movements, they focus on long-term and sustainable investment strategies that can grow steadily over time. Many people delay investing because of fear or a lack of knowledge. Some wait for ideal market conditions that may never appear, while others get distracted by financial market hype and chase risky, get-rich-quick schemes such as cryptocurrency fads or trendy business ventures. These approaches often lead to stress, poor decisions, and financial losses rather than long-term wealth. Wealthy individuals take a more disciplined approach. They focus on proven strategies such as long-term stock market investments, real estate, and tax-efficient financial planning. Rather than worrying about minor fees or small differences in trading costs, they prioritize tax optimization and long-term gains, which have a far greater impact on overall wealth. They also understand that consistency matters more than perfection. Even small, regular investments can grow significantly over time when given enough patience. By staying invested during market ups and downs and avoiding emotional decisions, wealthy people protect their progress and build confidence. Investing early and consistently allows them to create steady financial growth and reliable passive income streams for the future. 5. Diversify your income streams. The fifth and perhaps most important habit of wealthy people is diversification. Rich individuals never rely on a single source of income. Instead, they build multiple income streams through different sources, such as investments, rental properties, businesses, and side hustles. This approach creates financial stability and ensures that even if one income source slows down or fails, their overall financial situation remains secure. People who struggle financially often depend only on their salary. If that job disappears or income is reduced, they are left without a backup plan. Wealthy individuals understand how risky it is to rely on one employer or one investment, so they spread their money across different assets and income sources to reduce financial risk. A clear example of this risk can be seen with employees in large technology companies who receive part of their compensation in company stock. While this may seem attractive during strong market periods, an economic downturn can cause them to lose both their job and the value of their investment at the same time. Wealthy people avoid the situation by spreading their investments across different industries, asset types, and business ventures. Diversification also gives wealthy individuals more flexibility and control over their time. Additional income streams can be reinvested, saved, or used to cover expenses without touching their main income. Over time, these multiple sources of income grow and support each other, creating long-term security and steady wealth growth. This habit allows wealthy people to stay financially stable even during uncertain economic periods. Becoming rich is not about luck or privilege. It is about building the right financial habits and staying consistent over time. By focusing on financial education, budgeting and saving, goal setting, investing early, and diversifying income streams, you can create a clear path toward financial success. The key is discipline and long-term thinking. Do not wait for the perfect moment. Start applying these habits today and allow time to work in your favor. Small, consistent actions can lead to powerful results over the years. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it so more people can learn these habits. Share it with someone who wants to improve their financial future. And subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical content about personal finance and wealth building. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.